Hey guys, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. Thank you and thanks for joining me here. And don't forget, guys, that before I will start this session, you will have to read the risk disclaimer. It is really important for you to understand the risks. And if you have questions, guys, about subscription, about services, about brokerage companies, any other questions, please email support. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. Follow us on Instagram. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hey, what percentage do you usually average for the Forex signals group and the swing signal group, or win rate? Hi, how are you? And so it's important to read the risk disclaimer before we'll start this session. And yeah, today I will start and I will talk about the dollar index. And you can see here that we have actually positive data from the United States, and also later we'll have the Chicago PMI and also the revised consumer sentiment. These indicators could bring some volatility later, so that's why we have to be careful. But personal spending better than expected, personal income better than expected, employment cost index 1.4% growth versus 1.1, so better than expected. Core price index here 0.3% matching expectations, so positive US data. But I will close this window as well. But technically, and as you already know, and I've talked about the dollar index earlier today in that daily market breakdown. For the VIP members, I've shared the video and I've talked about the dollar index. I've talked about this major resistance zone, resistance area 103.65, 103.82, and about this breakdown. And I've said that yeah, personally, I would like to see a retest and then new lower low to confirm maybe a larger downside movement, and then maybe I would like to see a retest here of this resistance area, and then maybe, I don't know, a double top could signal a larger downside movement before I will look for potential US dollar shorts. Okay, so right now it has found the support here on the 23.6 only false breakdowns. We have also 102.99 as key level, a former high. One moment, I will yeah, so here is this former high key level as support, so resistance turned into a support. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so right now, and actually the bias remains bullish, yeah, in the short term here. So as long as gold, yeah, I will take a look on gold. Rohit Kumar, yeah, thank you. And don't forget, guys, to ask questions. This will be maybe a quick session today here. One moment, because I have to check something. Yeah, because yeah, today is Friday. I don't know if I will place a trade right now, maybe only if I'll catch something really good. But it is important for us maybe to prepare the next week, to take a look on all markets, and trying to understand the markets right now, and trying to identify new opportunities. So right now I don't have something here. That's why I will take a look Euro USD. So Euro USD, the pressure is still high, the bias is bearish, and as you already know, Euro USD could drop deeper anytime after this kind of rebounds. In the short term, the price could only come back to retest the immediate resistance levels before going down, only because right now, as I've said, the dollar index is still bullish as long as it stays above that 23.6, above 102.99. So potential further growth to retest the broken uptrend line, to if it will maybe come back towards this resistance area. Euro versus US dollar could extend its sell-off. Okay, and yeah, as I've said here, value breakdown could signal potential deeper drop, and maybe a new lower low value breakdown maybe could help us to identify potential short-term US dollar shorts. Okay, British pound, US dollar. I will take a look on all markets, and I will try to identify something. So here on the British pound US dollar, it has reached 23.6, and here if it will maybe stay below it, personally I will look for potential shorts here on lower time frames. Let's take a look on lower time frames, but right now, yeah, maybe it's premature here. So we had a bearish engulfing after reaching the 23.6, yeah, test retest false breakouts, but in the short term we cannot exclude maybe a new retest here, test retest before coming back down. But yeah, I will keep an eye on this resistance here, 23.6, and if it stays below it, personally, yeah, I will really look for a potential short here. And yeah, one moment, because you can see that it has reached a resistance, also this former high here, and the 23.6, and staying below it could signal potential deeper drop. Also, if the dollar index will resume its growth in the short term. So 15 minutes here, maybe I will draw a descending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3, hoping that I'll catch a potential downside movement. And Litecoin, yeah, I will take a look on cryptocurrencies as well. So what I want here on this on one moment, because I will drag this here. So if you are wondering, what I want here is this. So resistance, okay. So 1, 2, and 3, a descending pitchfork. This dynamic, actually the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork represent also dynamic resistance, static resistance here. But I want to see here test retest false breakouts, yeah, test retest false breakouts, and maybe then a new lower low could open the door for a downside movement. So this is what I want here in the short term. That's why I will not open a trade here right now, because I need confirmation, because I don't know if it makes a very breakout here, it could extend its upside movement. So British pound US dollar, I will keep an eye on this market. US dollar Japanese yen, yeah, I've talked about this market today, and I've said that I will keep an eye on this support zone demand area. Right now it continues to stay below the immediate downtrend line, and as long as it stays below it, below the 23.6, it could still drop towards this support zone. And I've said that personally I will look for potential longs if the price will hit this support zone, the medium line, the 50% Fibonacci line, actually Fibonacci retracement level here. Okay, so right now I'll stay away. I don't have a good setup here, because I don't want to buy it here right below this immediate downtrend line. I don't want to buy it because I don't know, right now it could only test retest, it could register only false breakout again above the 23.6 before dropping deeper. So no, I will stay away. But yeah, maybe a very breakout here, yeah, very breakout test retest on here on the 23.6 could signal potential upside movement. I will keep an eye on this market as well, but I need confirmations, guys. That's why I don't want to place a trade right now. Can you please talk about GBP USD and Euro USD? Both seems like a downtrend. So Hamed, I've talked about those markets, about US dollar, about the euro versus the US dollar, about British pound US dollar. Maybe I will come back, but don't forget that you can watch this video later today, yeah, later actually in our YouTube channel. And don't forget, guys, to like this video here. So about the British pound US dollar, I've talked about these markets. As I've said, rebound, this could be only a temporary rebound here on the short term, and yeah, downtrend, yeah, downtrend on the British pound US dollar, and yeah, after this massive sell-off, a temporary rebound, temporary growth was natural, expected. So that's why I'll wait for the rebound to end, and if this rebound will be over here below the 23.6, I will look for potential shorts here, but I need confirmation. Or if we'll have a very breakout, the market could still resume its rebound. And about the euro versus the US dollar, sell-off, yeah, also here downtrend. Okay, so a rebound after this massive sell-off, a rebound is natural. And let's use Fibonacci retracement here on this you can see that it has registered only false breakout with great separation, retest of the 23.6. so as long as it stays below the medium line, it could drop, but right now it's too late. Maybe we had something on lower time frames here, but personally I didn't have a setup, okay, to trade here. So I didn't want it to go short at market here only after registering a false breakout. Yeah, so I will keep an eye on these markets. So one moment. So US dollar, Canadian dollar. I've talked about US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah. Here on this market, maybe I'll wait for the price to come back towards 1.2674 before I will identify something like a sideways movement, extended range. That's why I'll wait right now for the US dollar, Canadian dollar to end its drop, its sell-off. Francisco Espinoza, do you think oil has the potential to go further up today? It's kind of lost the momentum. Yeah, let's take a look on that market, US oil. Yeah, so yesterday I talked about this market here, and yeah, it was a mistake from my side from not taking a long position here after this retest. So I've missed an opportunity here. I've talked about this opportunity. I've talked about this upside continuation yesterday in a video. And yeah, it was I've missed this opportunity, so that's why I don't want to do anything right now in US oil, only because yeah, we had an opportunity yesterday here. I've missed the opportunity, and right now it has reached the upper medium line, so my dynamic resistance. So maybe I'll wait for the price to come back down to retest the downtrend line. Yeah, the downtrend line, to retest the downtrend line here. Yeah, to retest it before extending its growth, or I want to see a value breakout here above the R1 107.17 or above the upper medium line before resuming its growth. So in my opinion right now I'll wait. Actually, in my opinion right now is at resistance. We have the R1, we have the upper medium line. Okay, in the short term the bias is still bullish, but yeah, I'll wait for a new high probability trade. I'll wait maybe for a retreat, retest before resuming its growth, or I would like to see a very breakout here above the upper medium line. Okay, so this is my opinion about US oil. One moment. Maybe I will invite more members. So I'm waiting for your questions, guys, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, but also please guys tell me what you are looking at, because I don't know your time frame. Yeah, I don't know what you are looking at. What is your opinion about that market? Okay, before I will share my opinion. So US dollar, Canadian dollar, I've talked about this market. I don't have a setup right now. Yeah, here on 1 hour. I'll wait for the price to end its retreat correction. Yeah, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. Okay, but I'll wait for confirmation. Yeah. US dollar, Canadian dollar, and maybe this could represent a bullish pattern, this down channel, or I don't know, maybe falling wedge pattern. one moment. Okay, EuroCAD, yeah, thank you. But DC, what you are looking at on that market. So I'll wait. I would have liked maybe if this retreat correction downside movement is over here around the 38.2. I would have liked maybe to see false breakdowns and then valid breakout and a new leg higher. So yeah, this is my opinion here, and I'll wait for confirmation also here in US dollar, Canadian dollar, US dollar, Swiss franc. Let's take a look. Yeah. Here on US dollar versus the Swiss franc, I will keep an eye maybe on 0.9680, only because if the dollar index will confirm a deeper drop, larger correction, 1 hour. Yeah, Jack, can you look on gold 1 hour? Yeah, I will look on gold, silver. Yeah, British pound, Swiss franc. Nelson, yeah, thank you. Hi, what about US 30 for today? I will take a look on those markets. I will try to answer to your questions, but first of all, here US dollar, Swiss franc. So I will keep an eye on this former low, 0.9680, and if the dollar index, let's take a look again. So if the dollar index will confirm here a downside movement, a deeper drop, then US dollar versus the Swiss franc could make a new lower low, and it could develop a corrective phase. It could drop. So I will keep an eye on this market, and that's why I wanted to talk about all markets here today to prepare maybe the next week. Yeah, because I'll keep an eye on a few markets. Maybe I will catch something really good. So I'll wait also here, because as long as it stays above this former low, the bias is still bullish. So I will try to answer to your questions. US 30. About US 30 today, I don't know. It moves somehow sideways in the short term here on 1 hour. So yeah, personally I've deleted my drawings here. Yeah, and I will try to build something here in the short term. Yeah, so key level here, maybe resistance. Here is failure to approach to reach to retest it, and yeah, temporary drop here. Yeah, earlier today in the short term. Okay, so I was looking at this 1 2 3. Yeah, okay, test retests, but 33,774 as support. Okay, right now it has failed to stabilize below it. And also don't forget, we have this pivot as support. Yeah, we have I don't know, this level as support, static support. We have this level as support. Okay, so a lot of support levels, downside obstacles. EuroCAD 1 hour looking bearish. Okay, I will take a look on that market. Hey, Paul, how about Euro USD? I've talked about Euro USD, but I will take a look again for you if you will, if you have a few minutes before I will, because I have to answer to other questions right now. But I will take a look on Euro USD again. So a lot of static support levels, obstacles, downside obstacles, and here in the short term, so around this resistance, so 34,113, I would have liked to see here after this drop, maybe here test, retest, false breakouts. Okay, and then maybe Something like this test retest here would have confirmed the potential drop here. Right now I believe that's only staying below the upper medium line and making here maybe a new lower low, dropping, closing and stabilizing below this level could signal potential drop. And here, because one moment, I will also draw this this line here. Maybe we'll have only a potential channel here, okay, and then breakout and I don't know, potential growth. And in my opinion, okay, right now the dollar index, let's take a look. Dollar index, if the dollar index will drop after this rebound, and if this will be only a temporary rebound before a potential new sell-off, then maybe the US equities could try to grow in the short term, okay? So that's why I don't have something really good in US 30. I was looking at this potential, maybe a potential setup here, but right now I don't know, it could be invalidated because we have a lot of support levels here, yeah. So I don't have a setup right now here in US 30. US 100, let's take a look, and I will try to answer to your questions also here in the short term. In the short term, US 100, so it has escaped, so it has found support here, so former lows. I've talked about this this market in my previous webinar, and I don't know, in my opinion, as long as it stays here above this medium line, so I have an ascending pitchfork here, 1, 2 and 3. It has escaped from this down channel, okay, and as long as it stays above this medium line, above maybe, I don't know, here above this former high, 13,259, maybe I don't want to sell it, okay, it could still jump higher or something, but yeah, right now I'll wait. I don't have a setup. Let's draw an uptrend line. Also, as long as it stays above this uptrend line, maybe I don't want to sell it, okay. So only maybe escaping from this pattern could signal potential deeper drop here, okay. US 100, US 500. I believe that if you are a VIP member, maybe Orlando will come back with his thought process, rationale, because yeah, he shared his trade in US 500. So I will not talk about this market right now, okay. This is Orlando's setup, Orlando's trade. Yeah. So I will try to answer to your questions right now. So gold, yeah, gold. Sorry, gold. Today, personally, I was looking maybe for potential, for something like a potential, or actually, let's take a look. So downtrend line here, yeah, downtrend line. We had maybe something like a down channel, okay, here, strong upwards movement. Also because yesterday, as you already know, the US advanced gross domestic product came in worse than expected. It has reported 1.4% drop in the first quarter. And yeah, the specialist traders, the traders and the specialists expected a potential 1.1% growth. So that's why the price of gold has ignored this strong resistance area, and it has resumed its growth. Right now, yeah, it has reached yeah, this support, former support and current resistance, 1917. Only false breakout and right now sell off. I don't know, maybe we'll have something. Maybe I will delete this major pitchfork, yeah, and I don't know, maybe this will be only a temporary test before coming back higher or something. But right now I don't want to do anything. Maybe in the short term we had something, but yeah, maybe I'll wait here for something. I don't know if this will be only a temporary drop, temporary sell-off. Maybe we'll have a long opportunity from this support zone, test, retest. Yeah, if it prints and if it develops something here, we can catch something. But right now, I don't know. It's strongly bearish in the short term on lower time frames after registering only false breakout here, after failing to stabilize above these two upside obstacles. Okay, and let's take a look again on the dollar index. Yeah, the dollar index tries to grow, and if the dollar index will jump higher, yeah, the price of gold could drop deeper in the short term. Okay. In the short term. So this is my opinion about gold. Silver, guys, yeah, sell off here on silver as well. The pressure is still high here on silver. Okay, so it could register only temporary rebounds before extending its sell-off. So no, right now I don't have something. Maybe I will look for potential selling opportunities, for potential short trades opportunities. But right now I don't know. Let's take a look on lower time frames. Yeah, maybe I will from now on, maybe I will look for on lower time frames as well, 15 minutes or something. Yeah, but unfortunately we didn't had something really good here. Okay, to be able to go short. Okay, because maybe personally I would have liked to see a very breakout, yeah, breakdown before dropping deeper. Yeah, so an aggressive sell-off, only because maybe the US data came in better than expected today. Yeah, okay. So gold, Litecoin, can you GBPUSD? Yeah, I've talked about those markets. EuroCAD. So personally, I'm not trading maybe this market. So, what do you want me to say about this market? Yeah, strong downside movements, and I don't know. Right now, in my opinion, it's too late to go short, to sell it. Yeah. Only because let's see, maybe we had something here. No. So the bias is bearish. Okay, but as I said, it could be too late, I don't know, to go short, only because we don't have something, I don't know, after a new sell-off. Maybe you can wait for a rebound before dropping deeper or something. Yeah, but no, I don't know. The bias is bearish, but personally I don't want to sell it here around this new low. Okay, I would like to see a rebound before dropping again or something, or I don't know, sideways movement, yeah, before dropping deeper now. So this is my opinion on Euro CAD. So Euro CAD looking bearish. Yeah, it's bearish, but I don't want to sell it here, even if the bias is bearish, because it could rebound. Okay, and where should I place my stop loss? Here. It could reach it before dropping deeper. Okay, should I place it here? No. So I don't have something really good here on this market. As I've said, I'm not trading this market. I'm not. Yeah, but yeah, it's bearish, but it is too late, in my opinion, to go short. Maybe we had something here after this valid breakdown. Yeah. Okay, British pound, Swiss franc. I will delete my drawings. So what you are looking at on the British pounds versus the Swiss franc. So support 1.210101. Support here, okay, and also we have these former highs as support as well. So I don't know, but let's take a look on lower time frames, because yeah, we are on this support zone. I don't know, is this double bottom pattern? Thank you. Yeah, thank you as well. So let's take a look. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay. Here unfortunately it has failed to stabilize above 1.2191, because I don't know, here it would have confirmed potential growth. I don't know, I'll wait maybe to see how it will react here around the medium line, yeah, which represented the dynamic resistance, right now dynamic support. So a potential double bottom could be confirmed here above 1.2191, okay, but right now I don't have an opinion about this market. Sideways movement here. Yeah, it seems that the bearish pressure is high. Yeah, breakdowns, but I don't know, staying near 1.210303 could signal a potential breakdown here. So I don't know what to say about this market, because when I don't have something like a clear direction, when I don't have a good setup or something. Also, let's take a look on 15 minutes, but 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay, sorry. 15 minutes. 1 2 3. Yeah, medium lines here. Yeah, I'll wait. I don't have a setup. I don't have an opinion right now. Staying above the medium line, jumping, closing, and stabilizing above this level could signal potential growth. But as I've said, yeah, we also have resistance here. No, personally, I don't want to trade this market. So, yeah. Okay. US30, I've talked about your cat. Euro USD. Nelson, thanks. Yeah, thank you. Euro USD again. Euro USD, and I will take a look on. Yeah, it's still there. DXY. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's still. Okay. Yeah. Gold. Huh. Gold. As I've said, this could still be on a temporary drop, but I don't know. I don't want to buy it on this rally, only because it could only retest the resistance levels before going down. Yeah, S1 here. I don't know. Maybe I'll wait for something like this. Okay, I want the price of gold to jump to close to stabilize above 1917.25, and a strong consolidation accumulation could bring us something. Okay, right now I don't want to do anything in gold. I don't want to go long. I don't want to go short. Yeah, in gold. And again, Euro USD. Euro USD, the same. Yeah, bearish bias, only because the dollar index is bullish. I don't know, maybe I'll wait here. If the price of Euro USD will come back higher, maybe I will look for potential shorts. Okay, from around S3, from around the medium line. So yeah, I will not buy Euro USD. I will look for shorts for potential selling opportunities. Okay, in Euro USD. Please, guys, if you have questions, more questions, New Zealand dollar, let's take a look also on cryptocurrencies. Yeah, about Bitcoin, I've said that in my presentation. Actually, I've said also in my previous webinar, in the last webinar, that I would like the price of Bitcoin to come back down towards the support zone. Here towards 37,595, okay, and only here tests, retests, okay, false breakdowns, accumulation, I don't know, bullish patterns here, false breakdowns, great separation could signal a potential growth, rebound, new leg higher, swing higher. So right now, I don't know, the pressure is still high. That's why I don't know. I don't want to do anything here. I don't want to trade it here because it seems undecided. Yeah, the price action signaled that maybe the sellers are exhausted here by retesting the medium line, registering only false breakdowns. But I want to see the price here, how it will react here, okay? Because false breakdowns, yeah, could signal potential new leg higher, okay? Litecoin. The pressure is still high, guys. Okay, so altcoins could I don't know, could drop deeper, could sleep lower if the price of Bitcoin will drop. So I don't know what to say about this this altcoin cryptocurrency. Yeah, the pressure is still high also after dropping below these former lows here, after failing to after 146 failed to hold. Yeah, technically, I'm talking technically here because fundamentally I don't know what to say about Litecoin. Yeah, so technically guys, we have this level as support, key level 96.51. But first of all, before I will I don't know, as I've said, I want to see Bitcoin. I want to see how Bitcoin will react around these key level support levels, because turning to the upside from here, developing a new leg higher could help us to identify potential longs also on Litecoin, on Ethereum, Ripple, on altcoins. Okay, so right now I don't have something here, unfortunately. Yeah, maybe you can also keep an eye on this downtrend on this 96.51. I don't know, it could move sideways here in the short term. A new lower low could signal potential drop towards maybe the next downside target here, potential downside target lower low here or something. But no, right now I don't have something. And personally, I like to trade to place trades only when I have something really good. Okay, because unfortunately, no, I don't want to risk on I don't know, poor setups or something. Yeah, Litecoin. I've talked about Ethereum in my in the last webinar. I've talked about this potential falling wedge pattern, but also here it's premature. I've said that as long as it stays below the upper medium line, below the downtrend line, it could drop deeper anytime. And yeah, also I've said here that I want to see maybe the price here, yeah, towards 26.51, towards this black uptrend line. No, right now I don't have something. Unfortunately, it could move sideways. Yeah, it could retest support, resistance here, so I don't have an opportunity in Ethereum. Okay, DXY again. It seems that you don't have more questions. This it was a quick. Yeah, let's take a look also on yen. Yen basket. Yeah, because today I was looking for a potential long here on Euro Japanese yen, but you can see that it has registered only a false breakout from this triangle, and right now a false breakout here could signal a potential downside breakout. So that's why also maybe I will delete everything here. I'll wait. We have a range pattern in the short term. Maybe I'll wait for the price to escape from this range. Yeah. Also, I'll wait here. Yen basket. So yen basket. Yen basket. So is bearish. Okay. Yen basket is bearish despite temporary rebounds. And right now, personally, maybe I'll wait. I would like to for the yen basket to come back towards 8,096 before dropping deeper, or to make a new lower low before dropping deeper, and then I will look for potential US dollar shorts. Okay. I don't want to buy the Japanese yen right now on a potential minor rebound here. Okay, no, I will not do it. I'll wait for a potential rebound, maybe for dropping deeper or for a new lower low. Yeah. Okay, guys, please like this video. Don't forget to like this video. Okay. Yeah. British pound, Japanese yen. I will keep an eye on this, on all these markets, and when I'll have setups, high probability setups, I will come back, because I don't want to trade if I don't have something really good. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, guys. Let's take a look here. On lower time frames. On lower time frames. So no, I don't have something really good here. If this will be a consolidation, accumulation, and follow it by a new higher high, it could signal potential growth, but I need confirmation on yen basket, yeah, before I will take action. Yeah, before I will take action. Nope. Yeah. US oil again. Yeah. Strong rally. Yeah, unfortunately, Orlando managed its long position in US oil, which it would have been great. But don't worry, we'll come back with other high probability trades with and as I've said earlier today, I would like to see retests before jumping higher, or I would like to see here something, okay, before extending its growth. Okay, thank you guys for watching this this video. I was live here for, I don't know, 46 minutes. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Bye bye. I will come back with potential trade setups into the VIP group, maybe later today or on Monday. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.